In this video, everybody, I'll be showing you how to download the game Vampire Survivors Mobile into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices. So as you can see, I have the game opened on my iPhone, but let me tell you at the start of this video that this video is for both Android and iOS users. It doesn't matter whichever device you're using, because this game is downloadable and compatible with both Android and iOS devices, and that is its best part. And the best part about this video is that in this video, I will be showing you how to download this game into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices. Because the steps that are needed to download this game are exactly the same for both Android and iOS devices, except for one difference where Android users have to skip one step, and that's the only difference. And I'll guide you about that whenever to do so. And since they're executed in the exact same way, there is no point for you guys to think that this is only for iOS devices, because whatever I'll be doing on my iPhone will be the exact same things you'll be doing on your Android devices. So just watch this video till the end, because by the end of this video, I will have given you complete knowledge of how to download this game into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices. As you can see, I have the game opened on my iPhone, and it's running like it does. It's running like it does. Yeah, I don't know why did I repeat that 2 times, but I did, and so it's my choice. Anyways, so what I'll be doing in this video is that I'll be just giving you a look of this game, and then in the later half of this video, in the next half of this video, I will be deleting this game from my phone, and then I'll be taking you through the entire steps and the downloading procedure, which itself is pretty simple and can be understood in no more than like a minute, and it's super simple. Just have to make sure you watch this video till the end, because by the end of this video, I will have given you complete knowledge of how to download this game, Vampire Survivors, into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices from a very reliable source and a very safe source. And you don't have to worry about your data security or any security risks that will be posed to your device. It is absolutely safe, and on top of that, it's free. Because this game is not readily available on the official stores, so this one is like the perfect alternative to download the game Vampire Survivors into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices. And as you can see, I've opened the game. The game has its own traditional controls. We have got 2 analogs, we've got a D-pad, we've got the X, O, triangle, square buttons, and we've got a top view of the game, a bird's eye view of the game, whatever is happening. And the rest is your choice how you'd like to play it. You can alter the settings as well as your controls. That is what you do. That depends on the user or the player. Other than that, the game is pretty much user friendly, and there are no complicated stuff and things involved. So it's super simple and straightforward. Now, as you can see that I have the game open. What I was saying earlier was that the downloading process itself is pretty simple and straightforward to understand. It's like if you follow the steps properly and quickly and correctly with a decently paced internet connection, you can get the game downloaded in under 2 minutes. Because it's super simple. There are no complicated procedures involved like jailbreaking and rooting. It's as simple as I'll be showing you, because it is super straightforward. It'll be like too good to be true. It will be like that. But it is that good to be true. So, there we go. What I'll be doing is that I'll be deleting this game from my phone right now. Let me just grab it. There we go. And there we go. Boom. Now, firstly, locate and open the settings of your phone like this. Step number 1 is go down to your battery settings and make sure that all your power saving mods have been turned off on either of your Android and iOS devices. This is step number 1, which is for both Android and iOS devices. Step number 2 is go back up to your general settings, go down to your background app refresh, and make sure it is on Wi-Fi and cellular data. This is step number 2, which is only for iOS devices, and this is the distinguishing step. And for Android users, just skip to step number 3, because there is no background app refresh in Android devices. Step number 3 is go down to your browser settings, whichever browser you're using, go to its settings, go to the privacy and security section, and make sure all cookies have been unblocked by turning off the option that says block all cookies. And this is step number 3, which is for both Android and iOS devices again. Once that is done, close your settings and hit open the browser, and in the search engine bar, type this in carefully and correctly, apptweaks.vip. Type this in, apptweaks.vip, in the search engine bar, and once you do, click search. A list of modded games and apps will appear right in front of you this way, along with their respective statuses. And this list is pretty extensive and long and contains a lot of crazy stuff that you might be interested in, but for now, we'll just look for Vampire Survivors. And once you find that like this, just click on it and start the injection process by clicking the start injection button right here. Now remember, there is no need for jailbreaking and rooting over here. It's as simple and straightforward as I'm showing you it is, and the only reason the video has been fast forwarded is to make it short, because the injection process May take up to a few seconds in most cases, however, in some cases it may take up to a minute or two as well. But don't worry about that, it's cool. And let it load, and as soon as it loads, proceed to the final step, and I'll show you how to do it. It's pretty simple and quick. Let's just do it. So over here, we have to complete two apps from the list below and follow the instructions to complete the injection process. Now, out of all these apps, I have to complete two and follow their instructions, respectively. And my first one is going to be Corporate Banking. I have to install it and run it for 30 seconds. Now, these apps are downloaded from the official store, so they're safe to use. And first things first, although they've instructed me to run it for 30 seconds, I will run it for 40 to 50 seconds to be on the safe side, and would recommend you guys to do the same as well. However, over here the video has been fast-forwarded to make it short, and rightfully so. I've completed my instruction number 1. My instruction number 2 is going to be another easy one, which will be Points Bet Sportsbook. I have to install it and run it for 30 seconds, but again, I will run it for 40 to 50 seconds to be on the safe side. And remember, once your contents have been downloaded, you may delete these extra apps to optimize your storage, and once you've completed both your offers and the instructions, simply close everything and return to your homepage, and you'll notice that your game, Vampire Survivors, will have been downloaded just the way it has been downloaded over here for me in these few simple steps underneath the home icon. So I hope you liked the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, and I'll see you next time in another cool video with another cool game, app, or a modded version. Until then, enjoy this game, have a good time playing the game, and see you next time.